the position does not define the mission. I feel that God has raised each and every one of us in such a time as this, so we can stand, we can dare to make a stand and say what is right, what is wrong. Nung ako po'y na-elect bilang isa sa mga empleyado ninyo sa Senado, wala po ako ibang inisip kung hindi, paano nga ba ako mapapakinabangan ng Diyos? Kung hindi ako mapapakinabangan ng Diyos, bakit pa? Do you ask yourself, why are you still living here on earth? Why are you actually here today? For us to be reminded of our purpose. For us to be reminded on how we become more effective in the vineyard of the Lord. Passionate love is an output. It is a product of your faith, of your beliefs. Mahirap po mabuhay sa isang buhay na alam mo na niloloko mo ang iyong sarili. Na alam mong may pwede kang gawin pero hindi mo magawa dahil natatakot ka, dahil nape-pressure ka. If we really love this country, if we really have that passionate love for God and country, then we must do the not so famous thing to do. At the end of the day, know that we are accountable to God, that someday we will face God face to face and say, I did my part, Lord.